Hi, welcome everybody, and welcome to another SQL programming using select and from class. My name is Roxanne, and here we're going to learn today how to use select. So using select statement in SQL is used to select data from a database. It pulls up a list of items you want in a set. It determines the shape of the result of the set. It contains a set of variables that can be at the end of the query and contain a list of items from a table. Now, if you want you are querying columns from a table, you need a from clause after select list. So we're going to talk about that later. So after every column comes a comma, except the last column in the list. So here is the basic syntax of select. So basically, you would use the word select in the column name, followed by a comma, then the column name, then from, the word from, and the table name, followed by a semicolon. And here's an example of a query in our context database. So you would use the word select, then the name of the first column, which is person underscore first underscore name, and then comma, person underscore last underscore name, the word from, and person, followed by a semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon, that's very important. Otherwise it won't work. Your query won't work. So let's see this in action. Let's go to SQL Server. Here I'm going to show you a table that I created earlier called person. So I'm going to pull that up right quick. So select asterisk is a wildcard. So you pull up all the records in the table. So select asterisk from TBO person. Don't forget the semicolon at the end. Then you would highlight it, press execute, and that will bring up all the columns in the table along with its values. So say for instance you want just the first and last name of everyone in the table. So how would you do that? So you would use the word select, then the columns, the name of the column. So you want the first name, comma, the last name. Oh, you don't need comma, so just word from and the name of the table, followed by a semicolon. Just highlight that, press execute, and here you have everyone's first and last names in the table. Now let's do another one. So let's say we want just the city and state in the table. So person underscore city, comma, person underscore state, from TBO person. You have it. You have everyone's city and state in the table. Alright, let's go back and talk about the word from, using the from clause. It's really easy. So using from is easy because all you need is the word from and then followed by the table's name. One note to remember is that you should qualify the columns in the select list with the table's name. This will avoid column name collision later if we add other tables to the query, which might have a column with the same name. So this is how the syntax will look. And let's take a look at it in SQL Server. So let's go back to the whole table. So look at here how I actually have not just the word ID, but I have the name of the table is person, the name of the column ID. Just like for the first name, person, and underscore first underscore name. So you would actually include the table name in front of every column just to avoid collision, like if you need to create another table in the future. So this concludes the second tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tutorials after this. Thank you.